What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So check this out, beautiful. So as you guys seen in the title, I'm gonna get some cinematic footage of oh yeah, let me explain. I got a new drone. My other drone, the DJI Mavic Pro, I gave to my son, so it's now living in Oklahoma. So I went and got a new drone. It's called a Skydio 2. I don't know if you guys seen a video on it. It's an autonomous drone, which means, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but which means it dodges everything. Not that anything's around here, but I'll show you some footage of me and my brother driving up here. We are in San Bernardino National Forest over by Forest Falls, but up in the hills off of highway, what highway is that? 38?
I think so, yeah.
Highway 38.
The back way?
The back way to Big Bear. So anyways, we figured come and fly our drones. I had it following the truck. I already flew it one time already, and it did good. I'll have to show you the footage. Check out this footage. So that's some of the footage. You'll have to just stay tuned, and I'm gonna do some cinematic video with some music, because you know, drones don't have sound. And we made it up to the top of this hill, but my brother's about to fly his drone. But I have to say, you know, with that Skydio 2, I used the beacon, and you hook the beacon to the drone, and then you also hook your phone to the beacon, so it's like a double protection. But I still don't know how to fly it, so you guys will see that. I don't know how to fly this thing yet. I get scared when I'm lowering it with the phone. That's without the controller. But let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me lower this tailgate so I can put the stuff on there. So give me a second. This is all this, check this out. This is all the drone comes in. Even though I kind of fixed it to my, let me set you guys up for a minute. Even though oh yeah, look at, my brother's gonna take off with his. Look at, yeah, look at that. That's his drone. Let me show you before I show you mine. Check it out. Oh, the sensors are going off. It has two sensors in the front. Pretty cool. Haven't flown it in a while,
No.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, I haven't flown it for a long time.
I know. I get nervous when I Yeah. So let me show you guys this one. The only thing, I ran through one battery already. So here's the drone. Let me get you some light. This is the drone right here. Look how flat it is without the battery. Look at, that's how flat it is compared to my hand. Isn't that neat? If you look, and I'm not gonna do a review on it, but look at 3 cameras on top, 3 cameras on bottom. This is the bottom, 3 cameras. This is the gimbal guard. And that's where the SD card slides in there. And then here's the battery, all magnetic. Look at magnet. Check it out. Magnet. It's a magnet. The battery's a magnet. Or something. Something's a magnet in there. Magnet. Let me take this off. You got to remove this before flight. It goes in here, and this little groove part slides in between this camera part. So that's how you do that. But check it out. And this comes in handy. This is a landing pad, which saved me because when I was flying in the snow, I had no clue how to land this thing. So I just flew over this. I put this on top of my car. I'll show you guys. Let me show you where I'm going to put this. I'm going to put this right here. There's my landing pad right on my hood. And I know a lot of people are asking, how is that not interfering with the drone, to where, you know, most drones, it gets sucked towards metal. I don't know if you guys know that, but if you're flying by metal, it seems like it sucks towards the metal and you can't control it. That's because it has a compass in there. The drone has a compass. You know, compass is all magnetic and all that stuff. Anyways, this drone doesn't have a compass, so this doesn't interfere with it. So let's go right here, grab my drone, put it over here. Let's go back over here. And maybe I'll fly it. Should I fly it with the controller? Maybe I'll fly it with the controller. I have to hook up the... You know what? Let me get this all set up and I'll be right back with you guys. But look at, check it out. There's my brothers. That's the dam right there. I'm not sure if that's the Moreno Valley Dam or what it's called, but look how nice it is out here. The snow is deep. Deer must have came through here, or a dog. So anyways, let me get this set up and then I'll show you guys in a minute. Daniel, look at it, follows you. I try to run it into the tree, it won't go into it. I was trying to hit it, but it won't hit it. And then when I'm walking, it follows me.
Does the sun turn it off?
Not yet.
You know how it stops?
No.
No?
I think that's when it surges. See?
Oh yeah.
But it won't hit. I try to hit the tree. I went right into the tree and won't hit the tree. Kind of weird.
How far would that one go?
Huh?
8 miles?
This one?
Or, I mean,
only 1.5 miles or something like that.
Yeah, I'm just kidding now.
But I flew over there.
But it'll follow us through this whole thing.
Yeah. I'll probably have it follow us down.
Anything, you know?
It's so new, I'm not used to it.
Yeah.
So I already flew this. And the noise you're hearing in the background is my brother. He's flying his drone. It's right up there. But I bought this Skydio 2. Very cool drone. It's an autonomous, I think it's what it's called, autonomous drone, which it it kind of thinks for itself. So it's kind of hard to trust it because, you know, DJI Mavic and Pro and Zoom and all that, their obstacle avoidance isn't great at all. It'll hit a tree. But I had it follow me all the way up the hills. Look at this. Look where we're at. Beautiful. So I figure I'd get you guys some cinematic footage on this video and let you guys know what I think of this drone. So far, I love it. I try to run it into the tree. It wouldn't hit it. It just raised above it. So anyways, thanks for watching. And you know what? We'll see you guys on the next video.